What's up, electrician? It is dual battery time for the XP4. So got my high long battery, 10 amp hour from Amazon here. It's gonna sit probably back here somewhere. And I got my dual battery balancer here from Lectric All Wheel. And we're gonna put this thing on and boost the range of the XP4. Now, I think I did about 48 miles roughly on my initial range test, realistic range test, to 17.5 amp hours. So this should give us another, probably 20 to maybe 30 miles overall. So it should be a pretty long range e-bike at that point. All right, so the first step in the process, you got to crack the bike open here at the hinge, and we're going to unscrew this plate, insert the dual battery balancer inside here, along with the controller, and connect everything up. And before you do anything, make sure you turn off the battery here on this switch. Okay, so you can see here I got the plate, so I'm going to pull this out, and I got my balancer here. This is a 30 amp balancer. So this is the original battery. It's going to go here into one of the ends. Second battery, we'll use this one. I got to thread it through the bottom of the frame here. Let's see, I want the female end to come out. So there's lots of room in here. I got a piece of foam in here ready to help with the noise. There's a hole underneath the frame here for the wires to come out for the controller. And just gotta grab it from the inside. Might be easier just to do it the opposite way, actually. I'm going to thread it this way so I can see the hole from here. Let me grab actually the foam first, easier. So you can kind of see the hole right there. Gotta thread this through. Nice big hole. Okay. Got it through. Now we're going to plug it in. So this is the second battery. And it's got a female end, so there's only one place to plug it in here. Okay, now the two batteries are hooked up. And then this will plug right into the controller right here. Boom. Now this thing is set up. And that's basically all you got to do. Just button it back up. But let me plug the battery in first, and we'll test the bike and make sure it comes on. Okay, now the second battery is connected. So the only thing powering the bike at this point is this external battery here. Over to the display, and boom, the bike is now on. Second battery is connected here. And this is a real easy project to do. It takes literally just a couple minutes. Hardest part is just getting the stuff to fit back in here and getting it buttoned back up. Okay, so there's plenty of room in here. I'm gonna feed in the display, the balancer this way. Push it back. Get the cords in there. And careful not to like crimp these cables too much because they can cause like a short or stop working sometimes. Let's feed it up this way. There we go. I need more room here on the back end. Okay, now let's go button it back up here. All right, place not lined up properly, so I think I need to make better room in here for it. So it should be flush against the inside of the housing here. Oops. I just dropped a screw, so be careful. Where did that screw go? All right, well, I lost that screw at the moment, so I'm going to leave this one blank and do the 4 corners. Hopefully I can find it after I put the bike back together. Again, make sure this is all flush in here, otherwise it's not going to close properly. There's that one in a second. Okay. 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 Now we're going to put this over here. So let me just route the cable in the middle here. Okay. Let's zip this up. Comes with a 2 amp charger, by the way. Cost me like 175 bucks, I think, on Amazon. So it's got some Velcro straps right through here. Well, that's what I get for doing this in the grass. That screw is long gone. I need one of those like giant magnets to see if I can find it. No luck. What do you know? I found it. All right, so there's where the battery is. This side has the red wire sticking out, so I'm gonna get some sleeve here. Just cover that up so it's all black. So again, the original battery is not on. I'm going to turn that battery on, unplug the second one, and just double check everything. Now it's on. I'm going to unplug this, and the bike should stay on. Okay, got it unplugged, and the bike is on. I take that third Velcro strap, put it up here as well, lifted the battery off the back a little bit, so now we're good to go. This is a little bit loose, but that's fine for now. You can also zip tie this if you want to, but I'll cover it up with some tubing or wrap, and we'll be good to go. You can put that battery a couple places here. You can put it in the bag if you want to do it that way. You could put it on top here if you want to add a different kind of shark style ones like Matt Lectric always likes to do. But I like to put them right there. So it's kind of in the middle of the bike, a little more center of gravity there. And I think it looks pretty good there. If you want to hide it completely, again, put it in the bag as well. Just need an extra extension cord to have enough room there from the controller into here. So you could do that as well. Pretty simple, easy project to do. Again, about 175 for a 10 amp hour on Amazon. They also sell them in 12s, but I don't need something big. This bike has a big enough battery already. So just want to make it a little more extra range there and peace of mind. Now this thing should get close to, should get close to 80 miles in like PS3 or the sport mode, whatever it is. So we'll test it out hopefully this summer as well. I forgot I actually have this tubing here, this mesh tubing that will wrap right around that red wire there. So let me get it on. That worked out perfectly actually. So can't even tell there's a wire there. If you haven't seen my accessory video, go watch that. I got the spoke skins, I got all bunch of stuff on here from Amazon and Lectric, of course. Got the spoke skins, they look pretty tight there. Got my new stickers came in and a QR code. So when I'm out there on the group rides, you guys can check out the channel. I love this bag from Lectric, it's really nice, it's big. Got the panniers coming out on the side. Suntour seat post, nice ergonomic seat there from Delta. Got the light, got a bell, cup holder, phone charger, and the mirror there. So well equipped here. Lectric XP4 ready to roll. Dual battery now. Coming to the streets of Connecticut. See you guys. Thanks for watching.